steps. Most important thing. Step, step, triple step, 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 triple step. Do that 1 million times. It should be in your nightmares. So, a little pointer, if it helps you to start connecting moving, you can also try this as a practice step, back step, forward, step, back. That can be kind of helpful. You're having trouble looking at them together. Here's the new stuff from this week. We did promenades. Rock step, triple step, back was optional. Hey, I can go in front. Rock step, triple step, hey, rock step, triple step, go. Then we're working on the Lindy circle. Go, looks up like this. Hit it. Rock step, triple step, 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 triple step. As you'll recall, we started with just 8 jumps.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where I stayed in place for the first 4 counts, but I was still active.
Trying to do the same thing with the foes really hanging out where they are, dancing in place, waiting to get scooped up by the leader's movement.
Let's show it the other way.
And remember, leaders are going to cross a little bit in front on 5 because you're facing your partner.
And I'm going to let my foot cross in front on 6.
So,